Welcome to room 502. I'm Mrs. Olson. I'm going to give you a quick tour of a few places around the room where you can find things that you're going to need this year. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about this, but I just thought I would give you a little bit of a tour so you could know where some things are if you need them. I want you guys all to remember that if success is an iceberg, what people see is only part of it. So check out the poster above my desk. Something I believe in strongly. We're all going to have some successes and failures this year, and I want to just remind you guys that you should stick it out and give it your best shot. If you find the rainbow colored drawers next to my desk, there's a bathroom sign out sheet on there. Please sign out and exit through the door closest to my desk when you're using the restroom. There's pencils and pencil sharpener, stapler, and 3-hole punch located there as well if you need them. Please leave them there, use them there, don't take them to your desk and keep them. In the back of the room by the other door are the APT books, and then anything on the open shelves are materials that you can use. I just ask that you return them when you're done. I have some graph paper, lined paper, computer paper, scratch paper, coloring pages, colored pencils, rulers, scissors, and glue back there for you to use. These cabinets here contain mostly science and STEM supplies, so please don't access those unless you have my permission. In the back of the room, there are tables set up. These bins contain science supplies and STEM supplies, and this is our Chromebook cart. Please take care when you're plugging the Chromebooks back in. The cart isn't great, and it can be frustrating to put some of the Chromebooks back, but if you just take a second, you'll be able to find the right plug, and then ask me if you're having difficulty. If I ever ask you to grab whiteboards for your table, they're located right on top of the Chromebook cart. In the front corner of the room, opposite the door, are the Eyewash Station and the fire blanket. If there's any accident or emergency, please let me know, but the Eyewash is really for emergencies only. A lot of water comes out of it. You will be very surprised. There will be a very big mess to clean up and probably a detention in your future if you mess with that, if you are not injured. On the front board, you can see the science agenda and homework. Usually the agenda, what we're doing for the day, is written in black or blue, and the homework is written below it. I try to put due dates next to it, but if I don't put a due date, then you can assume that it's due the next class. STEM agendas are on the other side. Generally STEM, you will not have any homework. You probably see these signs around campus. We're really asking for students to be engaged in what we're doing in class, and there will be times where you do need your phone, but when you enter a classroom, I'm asking that your phone is turned off and put away, zipped in a backpack. Not a side pocket, not somewhere you can access it, but in a pocket zipped of your backpack. If you need, in an emergency or an urgent situation, to contact a parent or guardian, let me know, and I'm happy to let you use your phone in that case. My class website, you can get to through the Earl Warren homepage. For science, I have the calendars up. On the calendars, you'll find what I do. I start with the most current date at the top, so I'm going to always be adding to the top. So if you're looking for what you've missed when you're absent, you can look here. There are links that you can find. Be sure if you're looking at the science calendars, you're looking at the right one. I have a different calendar for 0 period and periods 3 and 4. STEM 1 and STEM 2 both have their own page and calendar. The STEM syllabus and grading policy are on there. STEM 2, same thing. All of my classes have a homework assignment due where I am asking you to turn in a science signature form or a STEM signature form. That's different than the Earl Warren signature form that every student needs to do once for all their classes. The science or STEM signature form is different, and that will be a graded assignment in Aries. If you want to get back to the Earl Warren page, you can do that through my website as well. And that's the quick tour. Sorry that took a little longer than I hoped. If you have any questions, let me know. Looking forward to having you in here, and I'm looking forward to a great year.